The ocean is full of mysteries, and one of the biggest mysteries in the ocean is also one of the smallest. This is the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, and it's basically a tiny little blob that can live forever. And I mean forever. It doesn't age, it doesn't die, it just keeps on going. So what's the secret to this jellyfish's eternal life? Well, we don't know for sure, but we have a few theories. One is that it's able to reverse the aging process by turning back into a younger form when it gets old. And then once it does that, it just repeats the cycle over and over again. And how does it do this? Well, scientists think it has something to do with the way the jellyfish's cells divide. When most animals get old, their cells stop dividing altogether. Oh, the immortal jellyfish cells keep dividing, even as the animal ages. And each time they divide, they create two copies of themselves. So the jellyfish is essentially making clones of itself over and over again. And because of this, it doesn't really age. It just keeps making new copies of itself and going on forever. Another theory is that the immortal jellyfish has some kind of protection against the aging process. In other words, it's able to slow down or stop the aging process altogether. And this might be due to some kind of chemical that the jellyfish produces or some other kind of adaptation that we do not know about yet. Scientists are still trying to figure this one out. But there's another reason why the immortal jellyfish might be able to live forever. It might not actually be alive in the traditional sense. Some scientists think that the immortal jellyfish is actually a kind of machine, like a biological machine that's able to replicate itself over and over again. And if that's the case, then it's possible that the immortal jellyfish could go on living forever. So what does this all mean? Well, for one thing, it means that the immortal jellyfish is a pretty amazing creature. I mean, who wouldn't want to live forever? But it also means that we might be able to learn something from the immortal jellyfish. Maybe it holds the key to helping humans live longer, healthier lives. Or maybe it can help us understand the aging process in general. Who knows? Maybe someday we'll even be able to create our own immortal jellyfish. That would be pretty cool, right? This has been the Immortal Jellyfish. And if you liked this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about the immortal jellyfish or other amazing creatures, click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See ya.